Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur la chaîne Ma Clé de 12. Alors aujourd'hui, c'est un peu spécial parce qu'on va vous montrer comment bichonner une Renault Floride. On a la chance d'être dans ce véhicule et on va vous montrer comment vidanger le moteur avec de l'huile Motul classique. On suit bien toutes les étapes du tuto, on s'accroche et c'est parti.
In order to carry out the oil change, you will need to buy a can of Motul Classic oil. You can find the recommended parts and products in the video description as well as in the link to know the type of oil and the amount needed. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. You can open the bonnet, but you won't find the motor there. Open the trunk. Start your vehicle for 5 minutes so that the oil is slightly warm. Open the oil filler cap. This will facilitate the flow of oil when draining. You can now see the drain plug. Unlock the drain bolt using a ratchet and a 27-gauge socket on the first few turns and finish by hand. Be careful on the last few turns of the screw. The oil can squirt out suddenly. You will have to anticipate, making sure you have an oil recovery can at your disposal. Let the oil run out for about 10 minutes. Replace the drain plug seal with a new one. Then screw the drain plug back in. Start by hand. Then finish off using a wrench without being overly zealous, of course. Finish tightening using a torque wrench. It is necessary at this point to pour oil back into the motor. This step must be done with care and precision. We advise you to use Motul Classic, a multi-grade mineral motor oil specially developed for classic car engines built between 1950 and 1970. Begin by putting 90% of the suggested amount. This will leave you a large enough margin to adjust the level of oil appropriately. You can find in the tutorial's description the exact quantity of oil recommended for your car. Close the oil-filled plug. Start the engine and let the car run for 30 seconds. Remove the oil gauge and wipe it down. Plunge it back into its sheath. Remove it again and check the oil level. The optimal level is near the maximum, but be careful to never go over it. Based on the level indicated on the gauge, readjust to obtain the optimum amount. Operation completed. Enjoy the ride.